plant-based diets can provide all the essential nutrients you need while reducing your environmental footprint? That's right. Going vegan not only benefits your health but also helps the planet. If you're curious about how to make the most of your meals while keeping it all balanced, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll learn how to master a balanced vegan diet that keeps you healthy, satisfied, and energized. We'll dive into the essentials of plant-based eating, bust some common myths, and share some awesome tips to ensure you're not just eating plants, but thriving on them. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about the challenges that many people face when transitioning to a vegan diet. One of the biggest hurdles is ensuring you get enough protein, vitamins, and minerals. It can be super confusing with all the misinformation out there. Some folks think you can only get protein from animal products, which is totally not true. There's a wide variety of plant-based proteins, from lentils and beans to quinoa and nuts. But without proper planning, it's easy to end up with dietary imbalances. Many new vegans might also find themselves lacking essential nutrients like B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. So, it's crucial to know what you need and how to get it. Let's explore the key components of a balanced vegan diet. First up, protein. Incorporate sources like chickpeas, tempeh, tofu, and edamame. These staples are not only packed with protein but also bring a ton of flavor to your meals. Next, let's talk vitamins and minerals. Make sure to include leafy greens like kale and spinach for iron and calcium. Don't forget about nuts and seeds, which are fantastic for healthy fats and omega-3s. Now, meal planning is a game changer. Think about creating a weekly menu that includes a variety of foods. This way, you ensure you're getting all the nutrients without getting bored. Try to mix different colors on your plate. This usually means a good variety of nutrients. Now, here's the secret to achieving a perfectly balanced plate that fuels your body and meets your nutritional needs without sacrificing flavor. Aim for a plate that's half filled with veggies, 1/4 with protein, and 1/4 with whole grains. Add in some healthy fats, like avocado or nuts, to really kick it up a notch. This simple formula makes it easy to whip up delicious meals that are both nutritious and satisfying. Plus, don't be afraid to experiment with spices and herbs to bring out amazing flavors in your dishes. A well-seasoned meal can make all the difference. To wrap up, remember the importance of variety, balance, and planning in your vegan diet to thrive and feel great. Eating a wide range of foods ensures you're covering all your nutritional bases, while thoughtful meal prep can keep you inspired and motivated. Don't forget to listen to your body and adjust your meals as needed. If you found this video helpful, check out my other videos on vegan recipes and tips, and leave a comment sharing your favorite vegan meal. I'd love to hear how you're mastering your vegan journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content. Happy eating, and see you next time.